Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe and push that notification bell because I don't just post on Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays at 6 PM GMT time. I also post the occasional bonus video such as a collab or open invite, where that would be with one of or a few of my YouTube friends. In today's video it's another bullet journal idea, and this is my best feelings in the world. So obviously everybody probably has some completely different ones, but some very similar or the same. So this is the best feelings in the world page. So you need again a piece of paper. Mine is dotted because that is how I do my bullet journal. This is just out of my bullet journal, she's sitting next to me. Then I've got a pencil and I've got my circular thing, which is going to be, it's a sharpener. I've got my black ballpoint pen, and then I'm going to use my Papermate pen, so, or like biros you could use for the rest. And let's get on with this video. Okay, so we are going to start off by writing the title. The best feelings in the, and then world. I'm not very good at writing as such, but anyways, then I'm going to draw around this, which is probably a little bit too big, but never mind. Oh, and I missed a bit. And this is going to be my world, so just draw. It doesn't have to be particularly correct. It's only for you to view. In fact, that's probably 2 countries, but never mind. And then you want to colour that in. I am going to use my Sharpies because I don't have my, I was going to say crayons then, my Crayola pencils with me. So colour this in as the world would be, or whatever you want. The funny thing is as well, is I've got my globe right next to me, so I could have just copied that, but I didn't, never mind. And then the blue. it's up to you if you outline it or not. For me, I'm not going to. I think it looks fine like that. So now you start with your list of what are the best feelings in the world. So I'm just going to do an arrow. And then write it up. Waking, up, on, then swap to whatever colour you want. Mine's going to be green. Christmas, morning, the next one is going to be a good, and then change pen, hug. It should be, we'll stop there in that colour. I've got pens in here that I didn't even know I had. Anyway. Next one. Laughing. So this pen doesn't work, does it? Hard. Next one. Taking off your bathing suit and seeing your tan lines. Next one. I should do that in blue. Fresh. Clean bedding. Finding. Money. You forgot about. I need something that's not blue. I've got so many biros in here. That's a lighter blue. random, acts of kindness, next one, good friends. I need like a different colour. Stepping off the plane in your holiday destination. Vacation if you're not English, British. And then we're going for the next one. Pretty. Sky. Next one, making others laugh. And then I'm going to do one more that I can think of. Oh no, they've got quite a few ones actually I could put back on here. Making someone's, the apostrophe S, day. And last one, making others smile. Is it weird that I've not put my full stops on each line? And that is all I'm putting on my list today. Obviously other times they could be different, but that's what I'm putting on mine. So if I filmed that really dodgily, which I probably did, and you didn't see all of my, oh, hang on, the sewing machine pedal's falling off. So if I filmed that really dodgily and you didn't see anything I wrote, or can't remember what I wrote, these are my best feelings in the world. Waking up on Christmas morning, a good hug, laughing so hard, taking off your bathing suit and seeing your tan lines, fresh clean bedding, finding money you forgot about, random acts of kindness, good friends, stepping off the plane in your holiday destination, pretty sky, making others laugh, making someone's day, and making others smile. So that is everything on my list. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty, and that is the best part about your own bullet journal, is doing exactly what you want on it and in it, and making it as fun and exciting as possible, with the daily reminders, the reminders of how you are and should be, with good things and positive things. My bullet journal is full of positivity, so that's why I like this. But I hope you enjoyed. What is one of the things you would put on your list of the best feeling in the world? Please also subscribe, push that notification bell to see when I post. Thanks for watching. Bye.